What's up, guys? It is Pinley Vlogs here, and welcome back to the channel. I haven't posted in a while, and you probably already seen what the video is going to be about. Truck tour. Yep. Before we get into anything, if you have an addiction to smokeless tobacco, make sure you pack one with me. Look at my hands. Look at that. They're so fucking small. So that's my face. I just see, put your finger right here to pack it on this side. I can't. My finger is so fucking small, bro. I mean, I don't care. I really don't care. If somebody fucking wants to make fun of me or something like that because I got small ass hands, come on, run it up. But I mean, packing it like this, I don't care. I mean, if I fucking dipped and I gotten into, I haven't seen a fucking Grizzly can in forever because I stopped dipping for a little bit, so I can get that good ass fucking taste of wintergreen. All right. Ain't no more talking. Now it's packing. There we go. Nice old chewy do. A little bit fell out. Roll down the damn window. Damn. Hell yeah. This truck is gonna be given to me since we get the tags for it and everything. I need to fix it up because on the right side needs a new door and everything, new speakers. Left side needs a new speaker, I think. I need to fix everything in the back. I want to make sure I get this thing lifted up on, well, I'm just gonna have my subscribers decide what I'm gonna do with this truck, because I really want that, because I really don't know. I just want my subscribers to tell me what I want for it. Like, lift it, put subs in it, tin it out, lower it, anything for real, etc. Just let me know down in the comments and everything. I'm going to show y'all a truck here in a little bit, as soon as I freaking stop talking to y'all and everything. But I want to start posting like every week. Posting every damn week and everything. As soon as I look over, I see a damn frog on the floor, on the ground, dude. You didn't see that fucking bitch running under the damn truck. Alright, I want to show y'all the damn truck. So this is a truck right here. Pretty good old truck. The wheels on it are like, I think like 1,000 something. Hell yeah, pretty badass truck, to be honest. I like the wheels, but I might get them changed out for something like bigger, something that will like go over bumps and shit instead of like, you know what I mean, like goddamn fucking mud. But I mean, it's a fucking pretty nice ass truck, to be honest. Here's the inside. I'm gonna have this bitch cleaned out and everything. This used to be the goddamn party truck. We got movies back here for right now. I mean, it's a little ass truck, but I mean, I mean, it's gonna be a goddamn good ass truck, to be honest.
Life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger.